Welcome back to Broncos and Parts Garage. My name's Chris. Today we're doing something a little different. We're doing an unboxing video, which I've never done before, so bear with me. But stick around for this. In front of me right here, I've got S&B's Silicone Body Mounts. For the record, I wasn't sponsored. No one gave me these. I'm just really excited about this particular product. I picked these up at Jeff's Bronco Graveyard in Michigan. So what we've got here is some premium silicone body mounts. They're going to give you a better ride quality than the dried out rubber pucks that you have in there now. They're going to be a little bit softer than urethane body mounts, so it's going to cut down some vibration. They're not too soft. It's probably, I would say, the equivalent of rubber, but it's never going to deteriorate. They give you a lifetime warranty, and I think they warranty the labor up to $150. So you really can't go wrong. My 97 F350 rides like a buckboard. You almost need a kidney belt in it, with the leaf springs. This kit comes with all 6 of the mounts. It comes with spacers in case your bed's lower or your cab needs to be raised and lowered. It comes with spacers to line everything upright. It comes with OEM hardware. It also comes with a kit that you assemble in here to help remove some of your body mounts, which is pretty cool. But again, looking at these and the quality, they're specially coated. They're not going to rust or corrode. You do have a lifetime warranty. I think I covered that. I'm excited to get them installed. We're probably going to do it in the next week or two. We'll get these installed, and then I'll report back to you in a couple months. I'll probably do an install video as well. Right now, the truck's on the lift, getting a gas tank put in the back, and we're going to be releasing that video next week as well. So again, S&B silicone body mounts. It's something new. They don't make them for the Broncos yet, but they make them for the F150, F250, and F350, at least for the OBS trucks. That's what I typed in their drop-down menu. I'll put a link in the video description. But again, lifetime warranty. They're not going to deteriorate. They're not going to dry out. If you're familiar with silicone, it's resistant to heat. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how they cut down the vibration that's coming through the frame from my diesel engine. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when this video goes up, you guys can check it out. And again, I'll give it a nice review, an honest, fair review, and we'll go from there. Thank you.